Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what that is. You can try this out by going to the link in the description, put in as many numbers as you like, and when you think you know, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Okay, let's start with a 0. Okay, 0 gives us 0. All right, how about a 1? 1 gives us 1/2. How about a 2? Oh, 2 gives us -4. So it looks like we've got a curve going on here. This could be a downward facing parabola. Let's keep going in this uh, positive direction to the right here. Okay, so 3 is even further down off the graph. Let's go to the left, put in some negative numbers, and see if we get something symmetrical or not. So -1 gives us 0.5, and my hunch here is that this is a cubic. We've got that kind of flattening out of the curve near the center. It looks like it's centered right on the origin, and then going down and then up. So let's put in a -2. This is a cubic. It should be symmetrical about the origin, and we got 4 there. Yeah, and we got a -4 with a +2. Okay, so this is looking like I expected. If I put in a 3, I'm expecting to get a positive 13.5 then. Okay, yeah, this looks like a cubic function to me. And there are a couple of things, though, that are a little different about it. The basic cubic function goes down to -infinity on the left and up to positive infinity on the right. This one does the opposite. It's coming from positive infinity here on the left. So I think there's a negative sign. So let's start thinking about this function. So there's a negative sign. This is a reversed cubic function. So we'll put that negative sign. And then I think we have a multiplier because these aren't exactly the numbers you'd expect. If you put in a 2 and cubed it, you would get 8. If you put in a 1 and cubed it, you'd get 1. Instead, we got 1/2 and we got 4. And 4 is half of 8 and 1/2 is half of 1. So I think it's pretty straightforward. Our multiplier must be 1/2. And I don't think there's anything else going on, so I think this is just the -1/2 times the x cubed. There's no moving of this center. It's right on the origin. It doesn't go up or down or left or right. So I think it's just -1/2 x cubed. Let's just put in another number that we've already got to verify it. Let's put in well, let's put in 3. So if I put in 3 here, I'd get -1/2 times 27. And that would indeed be -13.5. So that seems right. What if I put in a 4? Well, I'd have -1/2 times 4 cubed. 4 cubed is 64, and then times -1/2 should be -32. So let's go ahead and put in a 4, and I should get a -32 if we're thinking right here. And there's the -32. So I think we're good. I'm going to reveal. And there it is, -1/2 times x cubed, and let's graph that as well. That beautiful curve of the cubic function just flipped around by that negative sign and multiplied by 1/2, so it's a little more stretched out than the usual cubic function. Well, how did that go for you? Did you see cubic? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.